How y'all doing today? So today we're gonna be messing around and I'm gonna do a little video on how to get this key out of here. So a friend of mine gave it to me. Somebody where he lives broke the key off in it, I guess trying to open it up. So I'm not sure if it's the wrong button or a broken core, but it looks like somebody tried to drill it out to get the key out and they couldn't get the key out. So I figured I'd do a little video on another way of getting the key out of these. So on the back you got the little drain hole for the water. So what I like to do is I just take a little wiper insert that I have that fits down through the hole, slide it in the keyway, wait for it to drop in, and just kind of wiggle it around. Boom. And now we got the key out. So let's give it a shot and see if it's a broken core or just the wrong button on the key. Let's try it out. Let's see, we're going to use a 30 thousandths tensioner and a little short hook from Sparrows. I'm tensioning with my palm because these suck for a lefty, so I'm going to get creative with it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is tight. So, let's go back to 1, 2, 5, 4. And there it is. So that was pretty good and pretty easy. Now let's see. Out of here, we can get it to lock back up here. Definitely a crappy made lock. Alright, of course, lock back up. We're gonna see if we can stew it. Let's get us the little quint rake, and let's see if it'll stew its way open. Not quite. I can't do it. Terrible at this raking thing, but I can't help myself. Alright, let's see if we can get it back in. That don't even want to go in. Alright, that's awesome. Nope. Reset it and try it again. Nope. Nothing. Alright. Maybe it ain't gonna work. I guess I can't do it. No McNally's. Huh. Nope. She is not gonna work. Well, I might have met my match. Tall boy. Oh, she don't want to go either, does she? Nothing? Nothing on the pull out? Nope. Well, my raking game is terrible. Hey, haha, there it is. Alright, that's all I got for y'all today. Y'all have a good one.